Design the chaos, let it ignite. A masterpiece born out of sight.